Alright, so I have the iPad and the pen. To flip. So it's an iPad, and actually comes with a charger. So it's better to buy one. These are 20 bucks on the charger, another one. And it comes with the Apple book. Okay. Yeah, I gotta take the stuff off to put the screen on. Next, we have to get the Apple Pen. And it's just a pen. That's about it. It's a pen. So now we have the pen, Apple Pen, the two, and that's how I figured out how to get set up. That's set up. Let's go to settings. This time I'm gonna use the version 1 and it should work, hopefully. And I'm trying to unbox it right now. Hope it works this time around. This version 1 with the cap charge on the bottom. It should work with the 9th gen. I would get the more expensive version, but boom, it's good. And here we have it was a little bit more expensive, but here we are. Bam, and it has a cap, and then we're gonna plug it in. So the cap you see, plug it into the 9th gen, and then I use the plug. Look, and now it's paired. So I can try scribbling. Nice. It's like writing on a unless I scratch it out. Oh, nice. And then select. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then we have. How do you do this? So we highlight and insert. Okay. I don't know how to do this. So I don't know how to insert. We'll try one more time. So this is select. Okay, let's try insert. Does it magnetize? It magnetizes on the side too, so magnetizes. But the thing I worry about is like this thing breaking on the thing, on the charge. So there has to be a different way to charge it. But yeah, this is the Apple Pen. It's pretty good. It's like writing on a real pen. Okay, let's use Procreate. That app's like $10, so oh, it's pretty cool. Let's can't delete. Well, I wonder if I put it upside down, will that work? Try and delete it. Nope, only this way. It's a new layer. And then, round brush, acrylic, sketch, peppermint, stroke path. There's a harness. It's very precise. Darker. No, it makes it fatter. Let's do ink. Go, let me delete. Let's add a new layer. Yeah, this is amazing. This is fun. This is like cool. It's like you can take notes on it. So let's go back and let's we're gonna take notes on pages. Create a new one. Blank. So you can take notes like there. And they'll type for you, which is crazy right here, so. Draw crayons, let's try. And then you can draw like your notes, you're like, oh. Get this done. Shoot. Just feel like a chart, you know. Like, you know, like a chart, you know, like, we're gonna do parabola. So this saves paper and ink kind of, and it's really good because you draw on the pad, and it feels like a real pen. The only thing I don't like about it, it's the back charger, but the 2 needs like a more expensive pad. Overall, it's pretty cool. You could create NFTs with it. t-shirt designs or just design crap in general. So totally worth it. It's cheaper than a Wacom. So yeah. For this, for me, is I can write Chinese. So I can practice my Chinese. Open layers. Let's do a new one. It's pretty cool. So I can practice my Chinese. 我, and then you write. It's longer. It's like, you know. Boom, there we go. I gotta make it thinner because it's too big. And then you can do another one, and then change colors. You can do green. There we go, green. Delete this. Let's do horse. Mom. It's female, 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 female. Okay, you can erase all this. Pretty cool. Actually, just make a new layer. I don't know how to delete layers. You can change the layers. Oh, that's how you delete. Delete layers. Oh, it gets clear. That's cool. And then you can start a new draft. Like you can create a new t-shirt. You just choose like a different type of pen. Drawing. That works, but let's try Mercury. I like this one. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I can't spell for beans. No, it's erased. A lot of bubbles in this thing, so let's do this one. I can just clear it, delete, make a new one. Life is nice. So this is wonderful. This whole setup is amazing. It's like groundbreaking. This is really kind of expensive, and then this is the cheapest you can do. You just get a iPad, the 10-inch one, the 9th gen, and the 1st gen pen. So yeah, if you get an open box or cheaper, that'd be great. But so far, I like it a lot. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.